Hey everyone! Ever feel unsure about picking a product on AliExpress and worry it might not meet your expectations? Let's clear that up together. Shopping on AliExpress can be tricky. Common issues include products not matching their descriptions, poor quality, or long shipping times. So, how can we ensure we get a product that lives up to our expectations? Today, I'm reviewing a product from AliExpress. We'll check out how it looks, how it performs, and whether it matches the description. Plus, I'll share my experience with the purchase process. Let's dive in and see what this product is all about. Before we continue, let's take a look at the product and see it in action.